Top of the morning to you. Today we got 4 packs of Destined Rivals. We're gonna be opening up all 4 today. Let's see what we can get.
Let's go!
First reverse holo Probo Pass, second wash Roton, and a holo Zamazenta. All right, not too great to start, only up from here. Then we have a reverse holo Team Rockets Arbok, Team Rockets Dottler, and a holo Team Rockets Spidops. Let's go. I told you, up from here. Let's get some momentum going. On this third pack, our first reverse holo, Cynthia's Geibel, then Taurus, and Cynthia's Roserade holo. All right, so maybe not up from here, but do you guys believe in last pack luck? Let's go. Let's get some last pack magic. Come on, last pack magic. Let's see. Reverse holo Moratom, and let's go. Team Rockets Ariana. That card, oh my gosh, it looks so nice. Let's sleeve this puppy right now. Wow, last pack. We got so lucky, guys. I'm debating sending this one in for grading. I think it has a high chance to get a 10. Might just hold on to it for a little bit. Not really sure. What do you think I should do with it? Let me know in the comments below. Give me a like if you watched this video and enjoyed it. I have plenty more Destined Rivals to open up, some sports cards too. Let me know what else you guys want to see me open up. Anything interesting out there? Till next time, this, that, and Pokemon out.